understand, sir. The spicy wings are just finishing up. It'll be about 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes? You tell me that 5 minutes ago. By my math, them young old credit. You see me? I could have planted 3 in the time I'm waiting.
I'll add a biscuit for the wait.
Make it 2. Plant the chicken myself and wait for it touch.
Sorry, sir. Your order's almost ready. Just a couple minutes.
Couple minutes? Made that from sunrise. Look on the number 79. The board jumped from 78 to 82 like my vanish. Even my trace start.
2 bars, they must have raised the chicken back there.
At this place, the chicken I go have grandkids before we see a time. Look on the menu so long I can recite it in my sleep. I memorize the calorie count already. Could teach a course. You think I like enough? I could have raised the chicken, give it a name, send it to college.
Sir, fresh batch just coming out. 2 more seconds?
2 more seconds, been breathing since 3 p.m. I'm about to get citizenship here. Look, all I want is wings, not a lifetime membership.
Here you go, hot and crispy.
Let's just see into the deep fryer. Sunset, sea breeze, and finally. All right, food finally land. Not bad still, but you know, yard chicken nicer. See it, yeah? Smoke and season run right through. Okay, bucket clean off already. Belly still a call. Time for round 2. Big family bucket, extra hot, plus fries and gravy.
Sure thing. Anything to drink?
Large cola.
Coming right up?
Yes, man, that's the size I like. Not stopping anytime soon. But can't forget the fries. Look at that. Great. Go, fresh out the fryer. Finally.